Oh my gosh, it is raining so hard. That kind of scared me. Anyways, hey guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi. My name is Karina, also known as Ohmglashes, and if you're not new, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a full face testing out new makeup that I've bought and makeup that was sent to me in PR, but tons of this was honestly bought with my own money. Y'all should see my drawers. They're full of makeup and it's a mess in here. So this is the look that I came up with. A little bit simple. She's cute. She's a little fallish, but it's okay. I'm also going to be letting you know if any of these are hits or a miss, and let me tell y'all, I have a little bit of both. I also have drugstore and high-end, so I hope you guys are excited for that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before we start on to today's video, and as always, give this video a thumbs up so I can see your like, and I know that you like this type of content and I can film more. That is it. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's go ahead and get started. I guess the first thing that I'm going to apply, since I don't have anything on the skin, is something that I've been using for maybe 2 weeks. This is new, but it's not like crazy new. The Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Eye Brightener. This is in the shade Peach 09. I love this stuff. It's perfect for a no makeup day, or if you want to even wear heavier makeup. It really just lays so beautifully on the skin and it just melts. And the best thing is that it hides the under eye circles. Also, this is pretty new, I guess. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen this. Look at how cute this little brush case is from the brand Lumina Pro. They sent over some makeup cases, and this one has just been sitting here on my desk, and this is where I'm keeping my makeup brushes. I love that you can close it so no dust can get into the actual brushes. Just going to tap this into the skin. Boom. Do you see that? Look at how hollow this eye looks, and this just looks nice and lifted. I love that. Love that. I've been loving it so much. For my primer, I don't think I have a new primer. No, I don't have one. So I'm going to use the one that I've been using for the past few weeks, the Paula's Choice Shine Stopper Instant Matte Finish. Primer has been my jam. I take just a little bit of that and I run it on the nose. If you guys remember, I did try it out already and I thought I didn't like it, but I actually love it. I've been using it so much. It really does control the oil a lot. I still get a little bit shiny throughout the day, but nowhere nearly as much as any other primer that I own. The only thing that I do have to say is that I don't feel like it necessarily conceals my pores, but that's okay. And it does claim to minimize the appearance of pores. I don't think it does. But it does what I mainly care for, which is control the excess oil on my skin. Okay, let's jump in with the foundation. This is the foundation that I've been testing out also for a few weeks. This is the new Tarte Amazonian Clay 16-hour full coverage foundation. My shade is medium tan neutral, and I don't know how I feel about this shade. It is lighter, but I think it like oxidizes on me because by the end of the day, or by the time I have a full face on, it blends so nicely with the rest of the makeup. So we're just going to blend that in. I actually like to use this one with a brush because it is a clay foundation. And it's super full coverage. I am going to be using the brand new Haley's Rewind Blurring Full Coverage Concealer. Thank you to Juicy Jazz and Kelly Strack. They got me onto this brand and I really like it. I am using the shade Medium Neutral. I love it because it is full coverage and it comes with this nice little like spatula thing. You don't need a lot. You only need a little bit, and it's super lightweight, but it just really covers up everything, you guys. I'm also going to be using her new sponge. I believe this is new. I got this with my purchase, and we're just going to blend that into the skin. Alongside that, I'm going to use the Retouch Soft Focus Setting Powder. But before that, I want to use the new Maybelline Perfector 4-in-1 Glow Makeup. So this is a primer, a concealer, and a highlighter, and a BB cream all in one. They had very weird shade ranges. I ended up getting the shade medium, and look at how dark this is. So I'm going to try and use it as a cream contour to see if I can get it to work that way, and if not, then I'm gonna have to switch it for a different color. It does come with the same little applicator from their original concealer, the Instant Age Rewind. It says that you're just supposed to twist it and boom, there's some products, so we're gonna use this. I actually even think this, oddly enough, is too light for my skin, which is weird. This is weird. I don't think I like this already. All right, we're gonna go in and blend it out. I hope this doesn't mess up my foundation because the foundation is laying so nicely. Yeah, that did absolutely nothing for my skin. I know it's intended as a BB cream as well, but what's the point of this? Like, this is just an extra unnecessary step in your makeup routine. So to set the entire skin, I have a few powders that I wanted to share with you. This one though is new. I don't know if it's like new to NYX or if they revamped their packaging. I honestly don't know much, but this is the Can't Stop, Won't Stop mattifying powder. And anything that has mattifying, obviously, I am all for. So I picked up the shade medium, which is again a little light, but it is what it is. I'm gonna take this brush. I get asked all the time what brush this is. This is the Eco Tools Pointed Blush. I do think it was limited edition, but I'm gonna take just a little bit of that mattifying powder, and I'm gonna set the skin. At this point, the skin is looking super nice. It's very soft looking. The pores are minimized. The skin is mattified, but I want to take it an extra step before I go in with anything else. I'm going to use the Cover FX Mattifying Setting Spray. A girl from Ulta totally sold me on it, and I have been actually really liking it. And I do like to cover up the brows. I don't have a new bronzer from like the drugstore, but I do have a new bronzer from the brand Metamorphosis. I've spoken about this brand. It's an indie brand, so if you guys want to support small business, definitely worth your money. This is the Panda bronzer, and it's really nice. It's perfect for my skin tone. We're gonna move on to the blush. I have two that I want to try out, so I'm just going to layer them. I have here the Disney X House of Silage. I believe that's how you pronounce it. So I'm going to take this beautiful like dusty pink, and I also have this Cheek Lover Oil Infused Blush by Catrice. This is supposed to be really good for your skin and just really make your cheeks pop, and it's a really good dupe for the NARS Orgasm. It has literally the same undertone. So I'm going to take a little bit of the Disney House of Silage blush. Oh, that is so silky. Okay, that's really pretty. I'm going to take it up a little bit higher just so it can give me a little bit of a facelift. I'm going to take a little bit of the blush and just kind of use it as a topper. The last product that I'm going to use for the face, is the KKW Press Powder Highlight in the shade Champion. This is from her Camo collection. So I think her whole website is being revamped, and she had a sale, and I think everything was like 20% off. So I took advantage of that, and I ordered some stuff that I've been eyeing. I'm going to take a little bit of this highlighter and just pop it onto the cheekbones. This is a really, really pretty golden highlight. I turned down the lights. I feel like it was really bright, so I'm sorry about that, but the skin is done. I really like this highlighter anyways. I have a few eyeshadow palettes that I really wanted to play, but obviously I can only play with one. So I'm just going to quickly show you what I have, and maybe another time we can do a tutorial. C Color Cosmetics came out with some new palettes. This is their SF Around the City, San Francisco. Yeah, San Francisco Around the City. Then they have a New York Around the City. And then they also have an LA Around the City. This brand is super affordable, you guys. But CoverGirl, which is another affordable drugstore brand, I think they revamped new and improved True Naked Desert Heat palettes. And you guys know I am a sucker for anything that is affordable. So we're going to try this one out. NYX just came out with their shadow and liner primer, which looks like this. I don't know if I'm going to like this because it's more of a actual eyeshadow primer versus like a base, if that makes sense. I haven't used anything like this in so long that I can't get used to them. The lids do feel a little bit tacky as I'm blinking. I don't know if that's what's supposed to happen, but they're definitely feeling a little sticky. Okay, my eyelids still feel very tacky. I'm just going to try it out because I know that not everybody is on the same team as I am and like to use concealer for eyeshadow primer. So let's go in with the first shade of this palette. And I'm going to start off, okay, I'm going to tone it down because I know you guys don't always want to be creating super intense looks, so I'm going to tone it down. Let's start off with this shade, shall we, which is a nice burnt red. I'm going to take that into the crease. Wow, okay. That has so much pigment. One of two, either this primer dries down tacky so I can really grip the eyeshadows, or this eyeshadow is crazy pigmented. Do you guys see that? The pigment is just like going and going and going. I'm going to grab a little bit of this shade and I'm just going to switch brushes. This is also a pretty light color. And I'm going to bring that into the inner corner. Just want to bring that orange in too far. I took a little bit of this shade and I just added it right here just to add a little depth, but not to add too much, not to go too crazy. All right, so now for all over the lids, I'm going to use something that is going to leave you speechless. This is the Kat Von D Electro Bolt eyeshadow. I don't know what they're called. Dazzle sticks along wear eyeshadow. So I'm going to take that. But because this does have a little stickiness to it, I'm going to lay it down first. I'm not going to cut the crease. You can if you want to, but I don't feel like it. I'm just going to tap it onto the eyelid. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the eyeshadow. You can use it directly from the applicator, but I'm just going to go in with my finger. Do you guys see that? It is so pigmented. A little goes such a long way. Oh my gosh, my stomach is rumbling. I'm so hungry. Oh my goodness. Isn't this stunning? I wish you guys could see it. It like shifts from like orange to like gold. It's stunning. I recently ordered some lashes from Birdie Lashes. She is a beauty influencer on YouTube. She was actually one of the very first people that I ever watched, and she has her own lash brand. I ordered Dream and I ordered XXX, which is her newest lash. I don't know which one I'm going to use, but I'll be back in just 1 second with some lashes. All right, I went ahead and chose the XXX lashes. Oh my goodness, do you guys see how beautiful these are? I thought they were going to be very dramatic, but these are not dramatic at all. And I am living for it. So we're going to finish off this look by applying some lipsticks. I have a few lipsticks that I want to use, but my order from KKW just came in, so I'm going to stick with that. I'm going to take the Honey 3 lip liner. So I also ordered the Honey 1 lipstick. Honestly, I'm not a fan of it, but I'm going to use it. I don't like this formula. I have another lipstick from her from this like matte formula, and it's not her greatest. And then I'm going to top it off with her lip gloss in Nude 1.5. These are really creamy and super pigmented. And here you have the look. What do you guys think? I actually really love this look. I feel like it's pretty simple, but very in your face because of the glitter. So what are my thoughts on all these products, because we tested a lot. So first things first, wow, CoverGirl, I can definitely tell that you guys improved your formula. Really like this. And I am shockingly surprised that I really enjoyed the NYX Ultimate Base. This is really good if you don't like to wear concealer as a primer and you just want something to just really grab onto the eyeshadows. Highly recommend. This is something that I'm still going to use because I like the color. I just don't like the formula, so it's okay. Her lip glosses, this is my first time trying them out, and I love them. The Amazonian Clay foundation, I don't know how I feel about it. Like, I like it and I feel like my skin looks really nice. It's full coverage and it's definitely long wearing, but I'm not wowed by it. It's not one of my favorite foundations, so don't know that I'm going to keep that. The Kat Von D Dazzle Stick is a must. You guys need to pick up one or a few shades. The Hailey's Beauty Concealer and her setting powder is amazing, and the NYX setting powder as well. Love the Birdie lashes. These are so gorgeous and they're so comfortable. I think that is it, you guys. That is all that I have as far as like new products. I just added on top a little bit of this Milani Highly Rated Diamond Lip Gloss. It smells so good and it just gives your lips like that extra glossy look. Probably didn't need that, but I just wanted to just throw that out there, and it smells so good. So that is it for me, you guys. Oh my goodness, I am so happy with these products. Mostly all of them worked amazing for me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely give me a thumbs up and let me know if you guys want to see. I almost dropped my thing. Let me know if you guys want to see more first impressions videos, because I love filming these. I love you all. Stay safe, stay blessed, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video.